And here's a story we're going to talk about here today. It's one of the things that we're really excited about. EazyBot has these amazing, amazing stories that we're going to dive into and talk about what this means and really help you to understand why this is so powerful. So Mohammed's going to show you this actual account, but I'm going to tease it and set it up for you. So we're going to look at an account that opens right around the 10th of May, 10th of April. So we open a trade here right about $42. And what happens, you can see the market was actually on a downward trend when this particular user started this trade. So here, just imagine for a moment, you decide you want to get into crypto, and I mean, who knows, it's going to continue to go down, but you want to get involved. So you get involved, and then the worst thing happens. The average person gets in crypto and the market crashes. This is like literally what happens here. It just continues to drop. And so for most people, you get dejected. You think this just isn't for you. There's something wrong with you. You just don't know how to make this work. Well, here's where EazyBot is so powerful. It takes this entry point, allows the market to do what the market's going to do. In this case, the market decided it wanted to go down, and it went down quite a bit. But along the way, along this movement, as it dropped, EazyBot was making profits the entire time. And ultimately, this trade never came back to the original position. The trade started at $42. The market never recovered. We closed the trade here. EazyBot closed the trade at $27, a total of a 34.5% drop from its entry point. You can see that here from the trading view. So in a 34.5% drop, EazyBot actually closes this trade in profit, over 6%. What this shows you is proof of concept that no matter what's happening in the market, obviously a market going up is a great place to make money. But what about a market that's going down? We have the ability to make money in that environment as well. This is what we're really, really excited to share with you here today. So Mohammed, are you ready to jump in there and talk a little bit more about this?
Okay, so this is the actual trade that just David have shared just now a moment ago. If you see here, the session have closed and price was 42.18. And then from that point onward, the market was only going down, like to 42.2, 40.1, and then 37, and then went all the way down up to, while the market was fluctuating, EazyBot, as everyone knows, it buys and sells in small parts. And what it does also, it brings down the average price of the top trade down while the market is just moving down, and makes a small profits on the way. So all of these are profits, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, all the way down until the moment came to a point where it could close the trade, all the trades on the top at the price of 27.45. So the trade which was open at the price of 42, it's closed now at 27, and still made a profit of about 200 USDT, which represent about 6.67% of the capital that's being used here. The capital was about 3,000, so we're talking about 6.6%. The fact in crypto market or in any market is, if you work based on speculations, most of the times you might be wrong, because you depend on news, you depend on technical analysis, predicting that the market is going to go up, so you buy and wait for the market to go up to the point that you predicted, and then you sell. But what if the market goes down? That's something that is not in our control and not in anyone's control. It's just the market movement is like that. So when I designed this strategy is that we designed it to work on the worst case scenario, that if the market is just goes down and it stays down for a long time, because no one knows when the market is going to come back up to the initial point. So it's basically the bot is sustaining right now with the existing strategy more than 50% drop of the market. If the market dropped 50% and it stays there for forever, still the bot is going to be bringing that trade, which is on the top, down to the current market price and close that cycle and bring back the money into USDT or into dollars, plus the profit that's made. And that's an example of what the bot is doing.